Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to create or generate a QR codes for your Google Docs file. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go to the Google Docs. Okay, first you have to log in with your account in Google Drive. Now I had just opened the one new file from here, or you can open your existing file. Okay, so let it open first. So guys, here you can see I have already opened my I opened my new file. Now to order to generate the Google QR code for Google Docs, you have to add one add-on, which is QR code Barcode Generator. I use this, you can use also. So go to the get add-on, and one window will be open in middle of screen. So it is like it is called Google Workspace Work Marketplace. Okay, so just search your QR code generator and you will find all add-on here. So I use this one, just click on it, and you can also use this QR code barcode generator. Just install it. Okay, I already installed it, so it's why that's why it show uninstall. So here you have to install it. After that, come back, or you have to log in with your account. Okay, when you try to install, it will be ask you the account access. So give the same Google account access if you have more than one account in your device. Okay, so now just refresh your Google Drive, Google Docs, and come to the add-on, and here we'll see your QR code generator, and just click on barcode generator, and it will be take few seconds, and one side window will be open on your right side. So let it open first. Okay, so it will be upload like this. So you have to enter the barcode value, or you can enter anything, or barcode labels. Okay, you can change color from here. Okay, the tags segment. Okay, this is okay guys, this is for barcode. You can give the names and barcode will be generated. Or now you can change the width, height, anything from here. You can change color also. Okay, if you don't want to show text, you can just untick it, then text will be hide here. Okay, you can make it center, live plate, anyone. Okay, you can use the font. Okay, so this is for barcode. Now you can just copy the barcode. Okay, and you can paste here. Just hit the control and V, the barcode will be paste here. Okay, or just right click on just paste, then barcode will be paste here. Okay, so if you want to generate QR code, then go to the add-on again and go to the QR code generator, and same the window will be open. For the QR code, you have to give the QR code name here. Okay, you can change size, you can change color from here. Okay, you can change label size. Okay, okay, you can change line color and middle color. You can see I have changed color. Now you can just copy it and just paste it. Just control V, or just right click and go to the paste. QR code will paste here. So guys, yeah, it will be paste. My internet is so that's why it is not showing here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.